evaluation of algebraic limits. Now we are going with 4 or 5 different types, just covering whole of the topic for the limits. Now number 1, type 1 is direct substitution. Now in the direct substitution we are going with 2 different types of cases. Okay, direct substitution method. Now in the direct substitution method we are having case 1. Now case 1 is what? Case 1 is method of direct substitution. Now if fx is finite, then limit x approaches to c fx is equal to fc. This is the direct part. Okay, this is the direct part. And case 2, case 2 we are having method of direct substitution by indeterminate form of limit. Now we are going with in detail with the indeterminate form of limit. Now what it is? Now if fx is equal to 0 upon 0, infinity upon infinity, and many more times. We are going to cover 7 different types in the indeterminate form of limit. Now basic thing is what? We have to eliminate 0 upon 0, infinity upon infinity, then it is 0 dot infinity, then rational powers. Okay, so we have to eliminate these forms and then proceed. Now all these things, what basic thing is there? Now let me give you something a little bit note for it. Now if the direct substitution of the point to which the variable tends to, we obtain a fixed real number, then number obtained is the limit of the function, Okay. Now just to make you a more understandable, let's go with an example. Now example, limit x approaches to 1, x square minus 4. Now what this will be? To this what? Direct substitution. Now we are having method of direct substitution. So x square minus 4 and it is x approaches to 1. So it means it is 1 square minus 4, that is minus 3 as the answer. So directly we can put it the values.